Mame Mao akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching
Dr. Bawumia and Same Awuku and almost MPP penny for.
So Dr. Bawumia himself, Same Awuku and
Nana Kufa so fre 8 year koso.
And His Excellency, the former president at that time, was calling to inquire what was going on. So, in the presence of the Archbishop in his office,
air condition, they
were rendering an apology to me.
Beginning because Obibia or a man of God and present Kwadako school, ye pesikadia boa 3 SHs. Satamania be 3 SHs, a more dinner, near pesikadia bomb, Dano by Abraham. You ever miss a soda mount. Unna. Unai, baby. And not MP pay your money. And look at the way you are exposing yourself. Look at it. Inti Amuka and I saw the ache and a fair Nije Bao, and so what? And I will have seen Tracy and Opinianity, and so what? Now I am Pongo written off free. Pongo, and we know be able to be more. Send them out and to boom. Inti, mana Wendy. Say Jimmy, Jimmy analysis in them. Thank you, Williams. I won't be. Someone I must say. And me say, me penny woman riding tea. I mean, so what the one grab at him and man in Paro. And riding Mount Quatintin. Me perceive who Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to be a president of Ghana. And afterwards, I'll come to your church. And I will show you the powers. See, my mouth crying, the Bempah is already my own transit. Not Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, president. Not for when you Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And I'll come to your church afterwards. You die. Let me tell you. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will be a president of Ghana, but a more than the and Owusu Bempah. I'm telling you, I swear, you will see Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as a president. But only money did be done. And I never go. Yes, I promise and I prophesy. Because you're full of evil. You are not man of God. You are not man of God. You don't know anything about God. I know God more than you. You are empty.
I recall that the Archbishop spoke to me and said, that man of God, forgive me for my sake. Just forgive them for my sake. Forgive them for my sake. And I told him, for your sake, I have forgiven them. Then I saw that all of them became happy. I am just one man.
And it's true.
Now, when I tell you that there are some spiritual men in this nation that are at the helm of affairs, they control things in the spirit concerning the nation. You will not believe me.
Enti ahonhomness ewiase babien oman bien ho ahonhom nim enti ahonhom na ewo kuro mu na bokuro no ho ban ene na se eoperate kuro no wo ka ho do ahonhom na wo oman kronkron Ghana mu no wo kwasi wusu wo sa ewo do who presume keke said the bear omunya ohwe. You are praising them. You know, say you are empty. So if you challenge them, they will deal with you. So you're just praising them. I don't think I can add a example. Until you think you are powerful, to know about my own. me say wo de me nim na kwasi usu eti o ma meti ase ana ntu ma meti me hwew na wagina so okay se sikenti ma me fo nkasa to aso
now also the Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams.
You desire to be president of Ghana. That there are some spiritual men in this nation that are at the helm of affairs. They control things in the spirit concerning the nation. You
president. Now also the Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams.
You desire to be president of Ghana.
Everybody. Kasa. Opeso ye president. Now I saw it here, Archbishop Duncan Williams. Obewe. Mebacho oba chaso usu so opeso ye MP. Oba chaso usu. Na opeso ye MP. Just MP. I don't know if I'm going to Duncan Williams. Usu Bempah. Obacha so usu no open MP and when you MP nanka you benefit. Why don't you took Chaso to Duncan Williams to bless him? Why? Obaw Wankasa Udoba MP edi. Say Duncan Williams is so powerful to the extent say with me see him to him. Na o man Ghana obi bi obey president bian aje se fa ne nsem dia. Why say one for Chaso Usu and Commander Duncan Williams to bless him to be MP? And then Duncan Williams on one year fumu back to mucho, the Cotiano back. I'm an MP. Name go to him, Nebano to me one. Obekono fini to me said, yeah, one dogino. Bema with me fini to no tafro by him to say Jimmy Fowie. Or no.
Now you don't understand it. You don't understand it.
Also for one tears.
Abiwate. Some catches okasa in parables. Ate. I say they make canon one tiasie. Also for one tiasie. And once I so would you are confused. Once I ask them why confused. So you find it difficult for you to understand. But him himself knows that they all can hear John. Enuja o blagi denenum enuja onikotre enuja so
also for ntiase o
ate
so for mo ntiase
ate
we don't understand.
Me say 2024 na me yam pa bopa ma Dr. Bawumia o
now 2024
muntie ha na beating crofo no o say 2024 na oyem paibo pa e di ma Dr. Bawumia o. Listen and listen carefully. 2024 na me yem paibo pa di ma Dr. Bawumia o, and let's go and listen to him.
Was praying as seriously for Dr. Bawumia in spite of all the offense.
Omudi jatwa koma me so penny Archbishop Nicholas Duncan.
Said the bear only confusing tino. 2024 no bompa ye ma Dr. Bawumia o. The omudi ye ni nyina which is which? The MPP for the ye ni nyina no bompa ye ma Dr. Bawumia o. Nesen tiro katwa so. Womu di gantoa. Tiew 2024 na obompa ye ma Dr. Bawumia o. Me bie mako na fi wori aba ho so ahu Jimmy no ene se do kan sem no contradiction ahoro ene how a ono ankasa ehu boto emfa kran hyem 2024 na me bompa ye ma Dr. Bawumia o obi a obompa ye ma Dr. Bawumia no the same Bawumia no ene MPP for esan di gantoa tio na me bompa ye ma o ana the Omayimi nyina chi no na mato atwene a mesa bompa ye ma Bawumia o and Bawumia ni team esen kokoye abensen ekodwantoa o the same 2024 obi a na wo so bompa ye ma Bawumia ofri upem ni enya nkudwanto according to him afred e kudwanto na ti de kosi ohoi muntie de kosi
They went to the Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams.
Dr. Bawumia and Same Awuku.
I say he will do it.
The American on Tiasia.
Now you don't understand it. You don't understand it.
Also for one Tiasia. Also for one Tiasio.
We don't understand.
Me say 2024. Now me yam pa Bempah Dr. Bawumia.
Now 2024, I was praying as seriously for Dr. Bawumia in spite of all the offense. They went to the Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams.
Dr. Bawumia and Same Awuku and almost MPP penny for. So
Dr. Bawumia himself, Same Awuku, and
Nana Kufa so fre 8 years Kosovo.
And His Excellency, the former president at that time, was calling to inquire what was going on. So, in the presence of the Archbishop, in his office,
air condition, they
were rendering an apology to me.
Beginning, na MPP nyanko ne ho, but no I see tio. No Bempah ye ma Dr. Bawumia pa o. 2024 election.